Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing crochet tutorial. In this video, we're going to be crocheting this beautiful waffle stitch shoulder bag. For this tutorial, we're going to be using these two yarn colors. They are both cotton yarns, a 5.0mm hook, a yarn needle, some stitch markers which are very optional, and a pair of scissors. For our shoulder bag, we're going to begin with the waffle stitch pattern that will look exactly like this. We're going to make a slip knot. This is the tail of your yarn. This other end is your working yarn. Wrap the working yarn around these two fingers. You have a circle. Go back into the circle with your working yarn and pull. To begin the waffle stitch pattern, we're going to make a number of chains, but the number of your foundation chain should be a multiple of 3. Now for the size of your bag, if you want a bigger bag, you make more chains. If you want a smaller bag, you make less chains, but it has to be a multiple of 3. I made a total of 36 chains. Hold your last chain and make 3 more chains. Now we're going to skip the 3 chains, go into the 4th chain with a double crochet. You have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and that's a double crochet. You're going to work a double crochet into every chain till you're at the last chain. This is what we have after the first row. To begin the second row, you're going to chain 3, turn your work. For this pattern, the chain 3 serves as a double crochet and serves as the first double crochet of the row. On the second stitch, we're going to work a front post double crochet. So yarn over, go around the post of the double crochet and work a double crochet. Into the next stitch, work a regular double crochet. Into the next 2 stitches, we're working a front post double crochet. And into the next stitch, again, work a regular double crochet. You can follow the pattern on the screen. A front post double crochet into the next 2 stitches, and on the next stitch a regular double crochet. To begin the next row, chain 3, which always serves as your first stitch. Turn your work. Now we're going to be working 3 stitches. Into the second stitch, work a regular double crochet. Into the third stitch, work another regular double crochet. Into this next stitch, we're going to work a front post double crochet. Place 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And into the third stitch, work another front post double crochet. You're just going to repeat this pattern all around. Front post double crochet and a regular double crochet into the next 2 stitches. At the end of our row, this chain 3 serves as a double crochet, so you're going to place a stitch there. To begin the 4th row, we're going to chain 3, which serves as your first stitch. Around the second stitch, we're going to work a front post double crochet. For row 4, we are repeating what we did on row 2. And the next, a regular double crochet. Now in the next 2 stitches, we are working a front post double crochet. You're going to repeat this pattern till you're at the end of the row. To begin row 5, you're going to chain up 3, turn your work. For row 5, we are going to repeat what we did on row 3. You have chain 3, which serves as a first stitch. Into the second stitch, you're going to work 1 double crochet. Into the third stitch, 1 regular double crochet also. Now into your fourth stitch, you're going to work a front post double crochet. So we are repeating the pattern we did on row 3. You're going to keep repeating row 2 and row 3 till you have the length of your bag. And I'll go a couple rows and let you know how many rows I do in total to get the length of my own bag. At the end of your last row, you're going to chain 1, grab your scissors and just cut off. Pull the loop on your hook and tighten up. I made a total of 13 rows for the body of my bag. You're also going to repeat this pattern till you have 2 identical panels. They should have same number of foundation chains and same number of rows. We're going to crochet the strap of our bag and we're starting with a slip knot. After that, we're going to make a number of chains, and the number of chains you make gives you the thickness of your strap. If you make more chains, your strap is thicker. If you make less chains, it is thinner. I made a total of 5 chains. Hold your last chain and make an extra one. And we're going to be working with a single crochet. So skip the first chain, go into the second with a single crochet. You're going to work a single crochet into every stitch till you're at the last. At the end of your row, you're going to chain 1, turn your work. Now we're going to be working into the back loop only of our stitches. So with a single crochet, you're going to go into the back loop. This is your back loop. Go into the back loop of your work and work a single crochet. You're also going to keep counting so you still have the number of chains that you started with. I made a total of 5, so I should have 5 stitches on a row. So work a single crochet across till the end. You're going to repeat this pattern till you have the length of your strap. Also bear in mind that the straps will make up the insides of our bag, but you see this at the end of the tutorial. This is how your bag is going to look like after making your strap. You should be sure that your strap is long enough to go around your bag and still have a handle. At the end of your last row, we are going to start placing a single crochet on the sides of our strap. So, going into the next bump, there are no definite stitches. You're just going to work a single crochet into every space you can find. It shouldn't be too tight. So work a single crochet. You're going to work a single crochet on the 2 sides of your work, down to the top and back till you're at this top stitch. When you're back at the top, you're going to chain 1 and cut off your work. This is the front part of your waffle stitch. You're going to turn this to the back and also turn to the back of your strap. Now we're going to be attaching this first panel to one side of our strap, like this. You're going to thread your yarn needle, aligning the two sides together. Make sure you're joining these two sides from the back of your work, like this. So grab your yarn needle. We're going to go into the first loop of your strap and the first loop of your panel. Pull through till you have a little tail of yarn. You're going to go back into that same stitch from the panel to the strap, and you have this little loop. Go into the loop with your yarn needle and pull through again. This is how you begin the joining of your two sides. You're going to go from your purple panel, which is your waffle stitch, to your strap. You're going to repeat this back and forth. Make sure the stitches align. From the next stitch of your strap to your panel, repeat this pattern of joining these two sides together till you get to the last stitch of your first panel. After joining one side of your panel to the strap of your bag, we're going to now join the bottom part of your panel to the side of your strap using the same pattern of sewing. So you're just going to keep joining the two sides together like this. Continue joining the two sides together till you get to the top of your panel. On your last joining, you're going to leave a little loop. Pull your hook through the loop and tighten up. You can repeat this a couple times and then cut off your yarn. After joining the first panel to our strap, this is what we have. We're going to join the second panel to our strap. Turn the second panel to the back, and we're going to repeat the same joining process. We're joining the sides of our panel to the sides of our strap. We're going to repeat this process again. You can go back on the video to see how it's done. You're going to join around till you're at the last stitch at the top. So repeat this process and I'll show you what I have after joining these two sides together. After joining all sides together, finally we have to attach one end of our strap to the other. With your yarn needle, you're going from one end of the strap to the other end, attaching the two sides together. Finally, we are going to weave these loose ends into our work using our yarn needle. So thread your yarn needle, go into the top of some stitches like this, and pull the yarn needle. After that, you can just go ahead to cut it off and it secures your work perfectly. This is the final result of our waffle stitch shoulder bag. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think of this tutorial in the comment section. Do you like the color combinations? Would you be trying out these patterns? Please let me know. Also, please do not forget to like this video. Leave a cute comment. Let me know what you'd like to see a tutorial on next. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.